What's this one says first? Mommy, what's this one says first?
Let's plant a garden.
What's this one says?
Dig some holes, plant some seeds.
What's those animals? What's that?
You know what they are. What are they? What are these?
Ladybug? What's that one?
I think that is called a praying mantis.
What's this one says?
Look at what will bloom with just some soil, sun, and spray.
What's this one says? What's this one?
And every day we'll snip a few to make a sweet bouquet.
The end. That's the last over.
How about a song?
Shall I wear for dancing? Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun.
One, wish I
How does that, can you sing that Ariel song?
I've seen it already.
Can you sing it all the way without Ariel helping you?
No, I need to spell.
Bonjour, my name is Bella. Mrs. Potts taught me the most wonderful song.
That was beautiful.
That was beautiful. No, next. This one.